What's going on, everybody? It's Ross Ramsey, RP Elite Motors and Marine. Today we're doing a walkthrough of this beautiful 2021 F450 Platinum, right at 2,100 miles. We normally do them outside. It is cold. We have trucks parked all in our show lane outside. So we're doing this here. So let's do a walkthrough. Come on. All right, so starting right here in this inner fender well, this is a 0 to 13 inch ANYLEVEL kit, fully hydraulic. You can see tons of powder coating throughout. The axles are done in powder as well. Good quality on the powder coat. Come over here, we're sitting on a set of 42 1650 30 Fury MT tires. These are super single 30 by 16 JTXs. Absolutely gorgeous wheel. Directional wheel, inner windows purple, inner barrels purple. These are true spikes done in the purple with the floater caps. Your inlays of JTX forged on the outer barrel in that purple. Very, very good looking. This does have the optional center cradle. So you can see the center cradle right there, polished overlays, ton of powder coat again. You can see all the rock lights that this truck has. And then we'll go right here. Always your OEM Ford running boards, black interior. It does have plastics painted to match the powder coat, which looks great. Right here on the driver's side, all your functions up, down, train horns, compressors. Got a full star headliner with our aux switches on up there. Come here to the back, you can really get a good view of the headliner, star headliner, black wood grain, plastics in purple, and a very good looking truck. Factory moonroof, standard on all Ford Platinum models. Very good looking inner plastics back there on the center console, done in purple as well. So in the rear, these are not 1650s. In the rear on the ANYLEVEL 450, you will see some in 1650s in the rear. Typically you'll see this setup. This is a 42 1350 30. Your 30-inch JTX is in there. More powder coat throughout. And then we'll come back under here so you can see the bag system on this. The bag system doesn't come on your 3/4 tons or single rear wheels. It comes on the 350 dually and the 450 dually. So when these are riding around, you're not hauling a load. We run 10 to 12 pounds in them. And then obviously if you hook up to a trailer and you're gonna work this truck, you'll add more PSI to your bag system. So that, again, that is only on the ANYLEVEL with the dual rear wheel setup. All right, and then you got your massive train horns right here. And when this thing sounds off the horn, you better hold your ears. And then let's go to the fun side of this truck. So this bed right here has been fully converted to a marine style bed. This is a C-deck type material, has acrylic right here, all LED lighting. You're looking at 6 Fosgate speakers, tower speakers up there. You have 8 Fosgate speakers down here. You have 2 12-inch subs and a custom box, full boat interior. Honestly, if you're going to a truck show and you want to hang out and show this off, it's honestly a hell of an idea. I never would have thought I would have said boat interior in a bed of a truck. It's actually a good idea. So this is obviously a wrap. The truck color is star white underneath this wrap. And that's going to do it for this walk around. So the most often question we get asked is, can the ANYLEVEL lift go to work? Meaning, can it pull? Can it keep the towing capacity of a big 450? And the answer is yes. The engineering and design work by Aaron over at ANYLEVEL is first class. Everything up front keeps the factory geometry in your steering. There's a lot of engineering, a lot of time into that. Towing bag system in the rear for the dualies. You can hook up and you can still pull your boat. You can still pull your camper. You can do anything that this truck wanted to do stock, but you can do it with a 0 to 13-inch lift. So we're a proud ANYLEVEL dealer and installer, so nothing in my opinion drives like an ANYLEVEL. All right, so this truck is going on our website. All right, so be sure to go there, click on the description. We have a ton of pictures as we always do with a very detailed description. This truck is a 2021 Ford F450 Platinum, 2,100 miles. We're asking $147,995. It's sitting in our showroom. You can come by the shop, you can see the truck, test drive the truck, give us a call, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.